How to turn $100 into big wealth, starting today. What's up, everyone? It's Oscar here. If you're watching this, you probably want to start investing, but think you need thousands of dollars to make a difference. Guess what? Nope. Most people believe you need a huge chunk of cash to get started. That's a myth. The real mistake? Waiting. Whether you have $100, $500, or $1,000, you can start building wealth now. Today, I'll share 5 simple steps to turn that $100 into something much bigger over time. Without confusion, no fancy jargon. Stick around till the end because I'll reveal the one trick that even pros forget, and it's the key to multiplying your returns. All right, let's dive in. Point 1. The power of small beginnings. Many beginners think size matters, that they need expensive stocks to start. But that's not true. The magic is in starting early and often. That first $100, it's not about the money. It's about creating a habit. Investing $100 today sets the clock ticking on your biggest asset, time. It forces you to set up an account, choose an asset, and hit buy. Once you do that once, future investments become easier. That small step transforms you from a non-investor into an investor. And that mindset change is priceless. Point 2. Don't try to time the market. Ever heard someone say, wait for the crash to buy cheap? That's the biggest mistake. Market timing is a gamble. Instead, paddle out and stay in the water. Be consistent, every month or quarter, regardless of market ups and downs. Those who do this, dollar cost averaging, tend to earn more over the long term than those waiting for the perfect moment. Remember, it's about time in the market, not timing the market. Point 3. Invest cheaply and diversify. How do you invest $100 without paying hefty fees? Thanks to modern platforms, fractional shares and commission-free trading make this easy. You can buy a piece of Amazon or ETF with just $100. My go-to? Broad index funds like the S&P 500. They offer instant diversification, spreading your risk across hundreds of companies. And keep your strategy simple and low cost. The goal? Turn that $100 into a diversified, low-risk investment that grows over time. Point 4. Avoid overconfidence and speculation. As your small investments grow, you might get confident, and that can be dangerous. Remember, most big gains come from long-term, steady investments. Try to chase quick gains with risky stocks or leverage, and you risk losing everything. The smartest investors focus on stability, not excitement. Avoid gambling with your money. Point 5. Automate your investing. Set it and forget it. Here's the secret to making this strategy work. Automate. Set up automatic monthly transfers of $100 into your index fund. Why? It enforces discipline. It smooths out fluctuations. Buy more when prices are low. It removes emotion, so you don't panic during dips. This set it and forget it approach takes the stress out and allows time to do the heavy lifting. Wrap up. Start with just $100. Build the habit, ignore market timing, invest in diversified low-cost funds, stay humble, and automate your contributions. Do that, and you're miles ahead of those still waiting for the perfect moment. You have what it takes. Just take the first step today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.